In this video, we will look at the Word to PDF tab in WordMorpher. The Word to PDF tab is used to convert Word documents into PDF files. This is useful when you want to prepare documents for sharing, archiving, printing, sending by email, or publishing, while keeping the original Word files unchanged. First, open the Word to PDF tab. Then choose the folder that contains the Word documents you want to convert. WordMorpher can process multiple files from the selected folder. This means you do not need to open and export each document manually. If you want to include files from subfolders, enable the Include Subfolders option. WordMorpher supports modern DOCX files and older DOC files. DOCX files are usually the preferred format. DOC files are older Microsoft Word files and may require LibreOffice or Microsoft Word to be available on the computer. WordMorpher can use Microsoft Word for conversion when it is installed and available. It can also use LibreOffice as an alternative conversion engine. If the required external tool is missing, WordMorpher will notify you. When everything is ready, click Convert to PDF. The progress bar shows the current progress, and the log area shows what WordMorpher is doing. For each converted document, WordMorpher creates a PDF output file. The original Word document is not deleted. After the conversion is finished, check the log area to confirm that all files were processed successfully. If there are any errors, the log will help you understand which file caused the problem and why. You can also export the log if you want to keep a record of the conversion process. The Word to PDF tab is especially useful when you need to convert many reports, contracts, manuals, forms, technical documents, or quality system documents into PDF format. In the next video, we will look at the Replace tab, where WordMorpher can find and replace text across multiple documents,